In this video, I will guide you on how to make your Twitter or X account private. In this video, I will guide you on how to make your Twitter or X account private. First, launch open the X app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. From here, locate the option of Settings and Support, then tap on Settings and Privacy. Once you get here, tap on Privacy and Safety. Now find the option of Audience and Tagging. Here, you're going to find two options, protect your post and protect your videos. If you want to turn your account into private, then you want to toggle both of these options on. Go ahead and toggle the first option. This is going to make sure that only your current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to view your post. Next, go ahead and toggle on protect your videos. Now, this will do the same for your videos. As you can see, there is no direct option to make your X account private, but by toggling on both of these options, your account is going to be switched into private. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.